This big Brazil nut tree found in the middle of the soy field, it shows the importance of and abundance of the Brazil nut trees in the high forests of the Amazon. But remember that if you don't find them, uh, a lot of them in the rainforest, that's very common. Who spreads them? The animal responsible to spread them is the agouti and the agouti paca, rodents that nocturnal rodents that they eat the fruit and also spread the seed. Why? Because after they eat, they will bear the nuts, including the big seed, as they have a lonely seed by every pod.